Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are really well. Today I just wanted to do a quick video to talk to you about my stick foundation obsession. I have lately, in the past like 2 or 3 months, just been really obsessed with stick foundations. I just find they're just so easy to use, like blendable, just quick and easy to travel with, so you're not carrying around like a liquid that could explode or leak or spill and the bottle won't crack, or you know, all that kind of stuff that comes along with liquids. I've just really been loving them, and it's just amazing because I used to be so against them. I just used to think they were going to be like really drying and just not blendable, and I was very wrong. So I started off with the Nars Velvet Matte Foundation Stick. So this is new from Nars. So you've got the foundation stick, my shade is Barcelona. I really love this, it's so quick to use. So with all the foundation sticks, I literally just go one across the forehead, a sweep there, one along my nose and along my chin. If I'm going out and I want to kind of build it up, I'll do an extra kind of couple of dots just around my nose and maybe 2 on the cheeks. I'll do that upper and lower. And then I just use my fingers to blend it all out, and I feel like that's what works best with the Nars one, especially because it's so lightweight that if I use like a beauty blender or a brush, then it kind of, that will pick up most of the product, whereas on my fingers it kind of just stays and just blends in. I think this is really lightweight and sheer. I love how it's so easy to use every day because it's so lightweight. It is supposed to be more coverage than the Velvet Matte Tint, but I think that the Velvet Matte Tint is heavier. I actually think this is more of a lightweight coverage, and that's what I really love about it. And the second one I tried is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick, and my shade in this is 153. It's a little bit smaller, a bit shorter than the Nars one, but a bit fatter. This is so creamy and gives you such a pretty glow. Again, so nice for everyday use. It's not like super heavy at all. All of these feel really lightweight. I just love how easy it is to use and travel with, and my face it just gives my face like a really nice glow all day. And then my final one, I got these all within like a couple of months of each other, like weeks apart probably. It's the Bobbi Brown Foundation Stick, and this one I really love because it is kind of, it can be a tinted moisturiser in it, but it can also build up to be like a full coverage foundation as well, so it kind of works with what you need. But yes, I just really am into the stick foundations these days, and I just wanted to share these 3 with you because I am quite obsessed with them, and I just wanted to tell you about them and how easy they are to use. And for all of them I actually just use my fingers. With the Bobbi Brown one, if I'm building it up, then I will sometimes use a sponge when I get to like the 2nd or 3rd layer. What I love about this Bobbi Brown one, the Nars one is probably, if you've got dry skin you're not going to like the Nars one, but the other 2 you will love. But what I do love about this Bobbi Brown one is that I normally do my makeup at like 6 o'clock in the morning when I'm going to work, and then if I'm going out in the evening again at like 5, 6, 7 o'clock, I can kind of just touch up where I need to with this. And it doesn't kind of go all clumpy, it doesn't look like I'm wearing makeup on makeup. It's like a really good touch up on the go foundation as well. Also as a concealer. Did I tell you that my shade in this is Honey? I don't think I did, but anyway, all great, all really great shades available, and I just wanted to share them with you. So I hope you liked this video. I know it's really quick, but I just wanted to tell you about my latest obsession. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Comment below and let me know if you like foundation sticks and what your favourite ones are. Maybe there's more I need to try. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys!